Greetings, fellow travelers and riders and roller coaster enthusiasts. And if we've met you in the park and you're new to the channel, welcome. It was a pleasure to meet you. We've had a great time meeting a lot of people here at Carowinds. We're in, I don't know if we're in North Carolina or South Carolina at this point. Not quite sure. We're close to either state, either way. The park crosses over, and sometimes I get lost. I think here's some lines over here. Some are blue, some are white. One's one, one's the other. There's the line over there. So I think we're on the south side. But anyway, up next is going to be the Flying Cobras. You can see them taking the tower right there. Drops you right back down. Full backwards loops. It goes forwards and backwards, so there's 6 inversions. Usually the backwards stuff makes my stomach a little bit queasy, but we just rode Nighthawk. I'm feeling okay, so if I can handle that backwards on my head upside down 6 times, I should probably be able to go backwards on this 3 times. That's the theory. So we're gonna give it a go. We'll bring you on board for the ride, and then stick with us after the ride, because we like to talk about how we're feeling, what we think of the park, and we may give you some tips or tricks of updates of what we've learned on our 4-day trip here. This is day 3, right?
Day 3.
Day 3. You even lose track after you ride 100 rides. So, all right, we'll see you soon on the ride. Here we go. We'll have to unbuckle them. Watch your elbow. Okay. A minute, mostly. Oh boy, she comes way down. It's okay. Okay. Let's hope she's gentle. Flying Cobras. Oh boy. Oh, I'm feeling very secure. I can't even move my right foot at all. And there's really nothing to hit the head side to side, so that's good. It feels hot all of a sudden though. Is it me, or is with these heavy restraints down and you're like in here snug? You can feel the temp starting to come up. Okay, here we go, everybody.
You heard that sound, guys. It means you're out of here.
Thumbs
Are
up.
you excited?
Oh, I'm very excited to go forward.
That's how you get up the hill.
Backwards, we'll hope we can make it. See how green we are at the end of it. Should be okay. Some boomerangs, I love them. But some, not so much.
Where do you have your feet?
Just tuck back. I'm going to try not to hit anything. I'm just going to hold these bars because you can't really put your hands up. So head back, and
We're going to go right through the building.
we're going to hold on for the rest.
Yeah. Hold on to my hand.
Just hope for the best here, everybody.
You'll have fun. It's like a normal roller coaster, baby. Here we go. 1.
Woo! Here we go. Oh, she slows. Okay, so far so good. So far so good.
Oh, man. Now we go backwards.
This is going to be the rough part. Here we go, everybody. I'm okay, it wasn't that bad. I'll give it a few claps. For a boomerang, it wasn't bad. I always am worried on that last back. Oh, it's just that last backwards loop.
As the same about your symbols of one by
And
one,
if it doesn't throw my stomach out of my chest on that last one, I'm good, and I'm okay.
Please don't forget your items in the cabin section.
We're okay. Okay. All right, Flying Cobra, what'd you think of this boomerang?
I mean, not my favorite style, but I like definitely the backwards portion a little bit better. Kind of got that stomach going there, but a little head bad.
Oh, well, that doesn't sound too good, but honestly, I had a good time. wasn't too bad. The forwards part always is great for me. The backwards 2 loops weren't bad. That third one, when it really slows you down and you're like kind of upside down and kind of tilts your stomach for it, that's the one that can get you. But on this one, it didn't really rattle me too bad. I did skip breakfast this morning because I knew we were just jumping right on, so maybe that has something to do with it. But all in all, had a great little ride. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, and we'll see all our loyal subscribers and fellow travelers soon on the next ride and review. There'll be a few out, so check the channel. Bye, everybody.